Hey guys, Corey here from DIX Performance North. It's getting to be that time of year again when the days are getting shorter and we're getting less and less light outside for our drive to and from work. Well, it is the perfect time to upgrade your factory headlights and improve your visibility and safety. Proworx LED conversion kits takes your factory halogen bulbs and replaces them with a set of high-output 6,000 lumen LEDs. Proworx LED bulbs are designed with a clockable collar, which allows you to adjust the light pattern so you don't blind other drivers. Kits are available for both standard and projector headlight housings. Included in all of the standard kits comes with a blue and yellow tint film, which will actually let you change the color output of the lights to help improve contrast in bad weather. Lesser quality bulbs will have a beam pattern that, even if aimed properly, will still be blinding to other drivers. Proworx bulbs can not only be aimed, but also offer a beam pattern that shouldn't blind other drivers. You can see clearly that Proworx LED bulbs are a bright idea. Available now at DIX Performance North. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. To see some more content, go ahead and click right here. If you haven't subscribed yet and you'd like to, click the subscribe button to follow us and see any future content.